正在直播正常吗？屏幕能正常吗？
呀，
屏幕那么少点，你推下看。
平哥，你欠什么能通没有？
马上通。
喂，没有，马上赶紧没新的毛了。
屏幕快下嘅，你角度幾密嘅啊？
通嘅。
你电话有问题。
电池你快改了吧？
再来改快点，你先电池拿过来。但就看这看你直播软件，直播个软件问题吧。
这是个什么？
因为你的哪一款都正常啊。还有什么呗？的，这个改动，屏幕又是改变。
这样说是盲目开上去。Hello, Brian。
我直播没问题。
有冇佢平台嘅問題吧？你應該發咗鏈接，你或者快遞上咗嘛？
你發到邊個先㗎？你發鏈接邊個用嘅？
冇呢，因為我攞了快遞。
發錢是我平台快遞嘅，原來先。發錢就俾大家嚟嘅錢啊。
你第一日可以做的快遞那個直播嘅就，也可以。你先打開那個鏈接 ，YouTube， 你打開那個鏈接，發到群裡面，然後等下你也過來這邊坐着看，我看一下怎麼直播。你先看看那個鏈接聲音那些正不正常。Hello, Brian. Can you hear the sound? Hello. 可以聽到聲音是吧？Yes, this model is A2179. 有聲音是吧？那你可以那弄完就可以坐这里，等一下看着我怎么播的。Okay, today we'll show you this motherboard, Maple Air A2179. This motherboard have you can see from the customer. Remove the Apple ID, have the iCloud. So now I will show you how to replace the T2 chip because the iCloud inside the T2 chip. I connect the power. 你可以把那个声音开一点点，能听得到吗？你是戴耳机吗？ 有那个扬声器放？
有声音吗？
就是我们这边，比如说你进到里面，你听不到了。这曝光度太。And now I connect the power. You can see TCAN display. OK. 你看到了？
看到是哪没给钱？
你给它曝光。
那个曝光按钮对不对？
哎呀。
那个就按照曝光按钮。
曝光你们念出。
那么说，曝光是这边就不看到的。
并不在。感觉有可能你屏幕翻了的吗？
屏幕给点翻了。
这是正常，但是好像这里有点曝光。
对。
那得快到显示屏就好了。
很亮。
很亮没？
亮啊，左那个亮哈。Okay, connect the power. And you can see T have the Apple logo, right?
我给个点翻了是的。东西是的。
The display is okay. Must connect the internet to install the OS system. So this motherboard have the iCloud activation lock. Okay, you connect the internet, then to have the activation lock. So now I will tell you how to replace the T2 chip. This is a T2 chip. Okay, replace this IC. Disconnect the cable. First one, you must look at this as this T2 chip. This is you must show is a 1 GB or 2 GB. You can from the NAND, you can see this NAND capacity. You can see this NAND capacity. This one. Wait.然后就翻过来。
麻烦把这个摄像头这样的。
This NAND T have the 4 NAND chip TSB. 2. You can see one is a TSB 4227. So this one is a 128. This capacity is a 128. This 128. So total is a 256 GB. Okay, 256 GB. And this motherboard is a MacBook Air 13 inch. Okay, MacBook Air 13 inch. Now remove this T2. So this T2 is 1 GB. Okay, 1 GB. Because the NAND, this NAND capacity is 256. So this is a 1 GB T2. Okay, 1 GB. You can see here. This T2 chip is a 1 GB T2 chip. For example, this NAND is more than 1 TB. So this T2 chip is a 2 GB. Okay, remember these are different T2 chip. So now we'll remove the T2 chip, then replace the other one. This one. This one is without the activation lock. This one. And this without the iCloud lock. T2 chip. I have all of the T2 chip. So if you want to buy the T2, you can ask me. I can send you this T2. And this one is for the M1. also remove the activation lock. M1 is a different. Okay, M1 model must replace the M1 check, Wi-Fi check, and M1 ROM. Okay, this ROM and the logic check EEP ROM. 4 checks 1, 2, 3, 4 for the M1 model. M1, M2, M3. All the model is same. T2 model, you just need to replace the T2 check. Okay, so these are different. Now, I show you how to replace the T2 check. 여기缝上的，缝上去，这听力那啥事，听力啥事，听力什么？你看说。Okay, so first one, you must remove the T2 check. You setting the air gun temperature. Okay, use this use this one air gun. This one air gun. You without the BJ heating station, use the 420. You use this one, you can use the 400 and air. 42 is okay. Okay. And with another easy. This one. You want to remove the CPU and the GPU. You must remove this nozzle. Okay. So now we have to replace the T2 check. This one, replace this IC. Oh. You can remove this one. You can remove this sensor or without this. Just use the CNC. I use this one. Just from here. So okay. Hope from here. So okay. So you can use this BJ heating sensor is easy, very easy to replace the T2 and the CPU. For example, you without this one, the temperature you must set in the 420. Okay, 420. You use this one, you can use the 400. So okay. Okay, now I use this one, small CPU OPCH. Okay, use this one. No, see, clean the start. 공车昨天。She's a friend.
吹浪的就翻过。
你感觉吗？
牛掰并不好，感觉这就
是吹
给你抽风。
Yeah. So now you're waiting, okay? When the T reached the half year, 15%. When the program reached 15%, then you can use the air gun to remove the T2. Okay. But when you replace the CPU, for example, you want to replace the CPU, you must select the CPU or PCH. This one, no small CPU. Small CPU is for the M1 and the T2, okay, and M2. The small IC, and also you can remove the memory. Use the small CPU or PCH. Okay. Now it's waiting. When the motherboard is hot. Now it's yes, maybe the 2 minutes. Okay, 2 minutes. Then use this one. You can use the other brand from this side to remove, or from this here to let the T2 check. So you don't need to use the triggers. Okay, a lot of people like use the triggers, but triggers sometimes they maybe apart the T2 chip because T2 they have the 2 floors. In the first floor is a T2 RAM. In the low floor is a T2 CPU. Okay, so you don't use the triggers. Use the triggers. Maybe T will apart the T2 chip. Okay, so now it's waiting. When the motherboard is hot. Okay, good morning. Okay, yes, thank you. Thank you, everyone, support. So also you have any question, you can ask me about the maple repair. And T2 6. T2, they have the first generation and the second generation. I also have the 1 GB and 2 GB. Okay, 1 GB and 2 GB. They are different. Maybe when I have time, I will show you how to unlock the M1 and M2 activation lock. Okay, I will show you. This is for the M1. Okay, M1. For M1, M2, M3 is the memory sim. Okay, all the memory sim. This progress. Okay, so now you can use the air gun. Now I setting the temperature is this one. You can see I use the temperature is 400. So okay, 400. For example, you without this BJ heating station, you must set in the 420. Okay, remember 420 to remove the T2 chip without this heating station. You have this one, you can use the 400. Is okay. Can I use another model? Yes, you can use all the T2 model. All the T2 chip is same. Just they have the 1 GB and 2 GB, and what the first generation and the second generation is different. But the T2 chip is same. As example, you can see this one. Okay, I didn't write the number. You can see this motherboard is A2179, right? A2179. You can use this T2 chip to the A1989 thing, but you must show it's a 1 GB. Okay, 1 GB. Okay, now it's okay. It's a soldering, right? Can you see? Now it's a soldering. Soldering. Now to start to use the air gun. Soldering. To use the air gun to hit the T2 chip. Very fast to remove the T2 chip. You can see here. and setting the display. Okay, now around the T2 check. Maybe the 1 minute. Around the T2 check, maybe the 1 minute. So you can see. Right, around maybe the 1 minute. Yeah, now T2 is removed, right? It's removed. This one. This do you have the iCloud lock or have the activation lock? Now you can clean the start. Okay, not start. Now you can see clean the start. Okay, you must clean this piece. Use the soldering iron to clean the piece. Now you can select the baking. Baking. This voltage is this temperature is very low, so you can select the baking, then start. And now it's heating, right? So now to clean the motherboard, clean this piece, add the flash. So you use this BG heating sensor is very easy to remove the T2. You without this one, maybe you must heat 3 minutes. Okay, must 3 minutes. 该嘎子水了，下面，下面，嘎子水了。嘎子水了。Here use this pen. First one, you use the soldering iron to clean the high temperature tin. Okay. Now you use the low temperature tin. This one. Low temperature tin, 183. Okay, here. 183. This one. This one. 183. This tin to change the high temperature tin. To change this one. Okay, now it's okay. The last one is very important. Okay, the last one. The last one is use the soldering paste. You can see this one. Soldering tape. Okay, the other people to light this one. To light this one. Easy. Use the soldering iron to jet the motherboard. To jet the motherboard paste. So the problem maybe this pin will connect. You can see this pin because it's very small. You can see every pin. So now I'll tell you the other method. The other method. This one. You cut just a little is okay. No very long. This one, cut this one is okay. Then you use the tweezers. This one, okay, and use the air gun to setting the temperature. 300 is okay. 300. Remember, use the air gun. Which this one, 300. Setting the air gun is 300. The wind speed is 42. Now to like this one, from here to here. So you don't need use the soldering iron. Okay, remember, a lot of people like the iPhone, right? To use the soldering iron to judge this one, like this one. Like this one, it's a lot of paste. Maybe it's damaged. Okay, so you use the other method. The other method, this one. 300. Use the other method, 300. Then you use this one to judge the paste. Okay, locate this one. So this is very important, and this method is very useful. Okay, for the remove the T2 and the small IC. And for example, you want to replace the PMU and the other IC, you can use the same method. Okay, use this method. Okay, now this side is okay. You can see very clear. Now you can change this one to the other side. Now to just the other side. So remember this method. How many temperature is this? No. The temperature different the motherboard. The temperature is different. Maybe only the 100 degree. Okay, different the motherboard. The temperature also different. And you don't need to understand the temperature because all the program and the temperature is setting. Okay, in this. Now this one is no. Okay, change the other one. Now you can see this side is finished, right? Now you just this side and this here. This one is finished, very clear. Okay, now you cut the other one, cut the other side. Okay, now to the other side. So you can use this method to do all the MacBook and all the IC, not only MacBook. Okay, Lenovo, HP. You want to replace the PMU IC and the BJ trick. Use this method. 300 temperature. 啊。
92呀。
Okay, so now you can see this one is okay, and the lecture in here, okay, the lecture paste. So now the last one, you can like this one is okay. Cuman doang ya, cuma yang gitu. Ah, ah, oh shoot. Okay, so now 你看你上路过吗？啊，口热呢？有声音吧？No, you can see before I said you without this heating station, you must set in the 420 the temperature, right? Air gun temperature. You can without this heating station. Understand? For example, you don't have this heating station. You set in the air gun temperature is 420, and maybe you remove the T2 is 3 minutes. Now I use this one heating station. You setting the temperature is 400, and use maybe the 1 minute you can remove. 有声音吗？
有，
可以正常的吧？
但可能刚刚有一段黑掉，可能是网，是不是网？
我不行，把屏幕显示出来。
Okay, so now clean this paste. Okay, clean the paste. 是那个。
马克多少？
Why I used this one? Because this one is useful to replay the old IC. You can not only for the T2, you can use this one to replay the CPU and the BBJ check. Understand? The BBJ check, not only this IC. You can remove this one for the BIC. Okay, pull down the motherboard. Okay. Clean the motherboard. So you can without this heating station, but the temperature is different, and the time use the heat the T2 time is maybe use the 3 minutes. Okay, 3 minutes. You use this one maybe just 1 minute. Okay, just 1 minute. And you can see all the pace is okay. All the pace. But this one you can see this one is a big one, right? The one just this one is not okay. So you can either this one to so you must clean the motherboard. Then you see the which one is you want. Hmm?
点太少，
啊，
紫外线的水
没了，
有
你回
做工作太少，
点着吧。
对啊，水的工作都不少，有点
嗯，那个这个吗？So you must throw all the paste cleaner. So okay. Because this point.
还没开，不是小心了。
应该会入的吧？困难。
应该有谁给你用的啊？
可以了。
现在可以的是吧？
嗯，现在应该可以，那就点上你先放这边。
不然 now it's OK。可以听到声音吗？
哦，听得到。
但是现在只有5、6个人。
那个谁，那个电头
啊？
我牛啊，怎么清晰啊？
这个电梯吗？进去吗？进去啊。
快门清晰。
这样能看得到。
就可以是吧？全部人都走了，就10个人。Okay, you are continue. So now clean the motherboard. Okay, you can see now its auto paste is okay. To install the T2 SOC. Install the T2 this one. Without the iCloud lock, this T2 SOC. Before I rebooting in this one, before I reboot. Okay, so you don't need to reboot this IC. I do have I use the soldering paste to rebooting this IC. So now install the T2 SOC. Install. I'll show you how to install the T2 SOC. The T2 SOC is also a 1 GB, okay? So before it's a 1 GB, you must install the 1 GB. Before it's a 2 GB, you must install the 2 GB. Okay, this is a 1 GB. But the brand is a different. You can see this brand is a different original brand. Because T2 to have the 2 brand. 快不行吗？ 2 brand. These are different brand, but the T2 SOC same. Okay, and now install the T2 SOC. You must see the pin 1. Which one is pin 1? Then you install the same position. So now open the bootware to watch the pin 1. This one. To find the pin 1. To pin 1. Okay, this one is pin 1. Here, this one. This is pin 1. So the position is this one, this is pin 1. The point, fourth point. Now I tell you how to install the T2 check. You have this one. You can use select the small CPU BGA. Okay, then you clean start heating. You can without this BGA heating station, but the temperature is different. Okay, before I tell you, without the heating station, you use the 420. You use this heating station, use the 400 is okay. Okay, now to add the flash, add this flash. Is a liter is okay. Okay, remember in the middle, this one. Now it's okay. Then you set the pace. Like you replace the CPU, okay? Replace the processor, the same method. Okay, now it's okay. Okay, so put the pin 1, 2 pin 1, this one. Pin 1, this pin 1, 2 pin 1. Okay. Put the same position. Okay. Then you use the air gun, setting the temperature to 400.
你指你那个水压的部分，就是加速比较位置的，上面我水压的，上面给我啊，上面给我那水压的，那点加速点水，你带部分的。
Use the 400 temperature. Okay, 400.
我加速了吗？
等我是不是睇你是唔嘅唔得錯。
再讲下去，你讲少了不秒。
400. Okay. Then to install the T2 chip. I use this solder paste. Use the 183. This one. 183 to rebolling the T2 chip. 183 to rebolling the T2 chip. Now to hit the T2. You must put the same position. Okay, you hit the T2 check. This one hitting. Okay, you can see now its position is okay. Then you use the air gun to hit. Okay, when the T2 is holding, then you remove the tweezers. Okay, now around the T2 check. Around the T2 check. Okay, then you add the liter flask. Okay, now it's okay. In the stop. Then use the fan to cool down the motherboard. Okay, so now it's now you must test the inductor. Okay, remove. Okay, I used the multimeter to test the inductor first. So it's okay. 110 is okay. This one is okay. It's okay. It's okay. You must check the around the PMUIC, all the inductor. Okay, should check the dial. Dial is no short, no 00 is okay. Okay, no 00 is okay. So now all the dial is okay. Now you connect the power. Okay, you remember when you replace the T2 chip, then you must check the around the PMUIC here. Around the PMUIC, in all the inductor, because this all the inductor is a T2 voltage. All the voltage is to the T2, so you must check the all the inductor. Okay, no short, no 000. It's T2 is okay. Okay, now connect the power to restore. You can see the current. Okay, see this current. And now it's only 5 volt because you replace the T2 chip. It automatically into the DFU mode. Okay, you replace the T2 chip, it will automatically into the DFU mode. No recovery mode. Okay, it's a DFU mode. So now you must restore. Okay, and connect the cable to see the current. Okay, now you see that this current. Oh, it's okay. I'll use this cable. Here you can see 5 watt. The current is a 0.25. Okay, it's so this current is normal. Okay, now you connect the HDMI, connect the other main board to restore. Okay, now switch to. After you restore success,
没得这边你到什么那个了？
就每个天的，
那叫什么呢？
You can connect the screen cable or just connect the trackpad. Okay, you can just connect the trackpad or connect the screen cable. This one connect the screen and then this cable. Then you connect the power. 이게 그냥 완전 이기야.
线路问题，线条。搿条线路问题，我搿条线。
搿条线路问题。
你啥多少呢？
你怎么问题呢？它有线路问题。Connect this cable. Yeah. Then connect to the other motherboard to restore. Use the Apple configurator. Use the Apple configurator to restore. Till will automatically into the DFU. You can see. Connect to the this motherboard. Okay. This motherboard to restore. T automatically into the DFU mode. Now to clean to restore. Okay, now restore. So you replay the T2 tree till may automatically into the DFU mode. You replay the name tree till will automatically into the recovery mode. So different, okay? So recovery mode and DFU mode is different. And when you restore, you must see the current. You can see this one, the current here. See the current. The current, you can see you can jump to the 0.5, 0.5 or 0.57. So now the mean is a motherboard is working. Remember, okay, you must see the current. Current stopped, so motherboard is not working. Okay, now it's a restore, and the current is a jump. 0.46, right? And the voltage is 10 watts. So you must locate this current. Current stop, so restore error. Current must drop. Okay, it must drop, so the motherboard is working. Now you can see restoring. Maybe the 1 minute or 2 minutes. Okay. So when you restore, you must locate the current. Different current error, the problem is different. Now T jump to the 0.4. Okay, 0.42, 0.4. Okay, so the motherboard is working. It's working. The current is a drop. Now the last one, to go back to standby, then to restart. You can see now. So mean is a restore successfully. Okay, with the moment, then you can see this one restore success means a restore finish. Okay, restore complete. 听声音吗？ Which maybe is a result complete. 报错。Okay, disconnect this one. You can see the. Which the current is a jump. .4, which Oh, no, it's a the first time is a long time. You can see now it's a display. Okay, the last one you must install the OS system. You can see, all right. Without the activation lock, when you connect the power, you have this file. So the mean is without the activation lock. You see, it's a connected internet, so it have the activation lock. Okay, remember the last one you install the OS system. So now I install the OS system. You can install the OS system. You can use the other. I use this method. Connect the power, then you connect the T. Or because the connect the battery so very small, very slow. So now you connect the battery. 找到六视频，找到这个视频那个。Okay, connect the battery. Connect the battery, then you connect the power. Connect the T. Okay, remember the T. This one T. Then you install the OS is very fast. So you replay the T2 chip is successfully, okay? Replay T2 chip and restore. So complete. Now you can see display is okay. Hey, now you use the USB-C cable to install the OS system. Now I install OS system. Okay, you use this method is very fast to install the OS system. The other people to use the internet, connect the internet to recover the OS system. Maybe use the 1 hour or 2 hour, very long time. Okay, now I use the maybe the 1 minute or 2 minutes can finish. Okay, now I connect to the other motherboard to install the OS system. Okay, connect this cable to other motherboard to install the OS system. Install the last one is install the OS system. Here get it up, Joey. 是。那个的天呐，这个的装饰都没有啊。
你还是吃那方面啊？
排队嘛。
我就让你收着啊，我看妈妈很重视啊，过来看看。
So now I install the OS system.
你是装哪里的没？我给他看看，没事干。
So now I use the this mapboard, this one. Okay, I use this one to copy the OS system to this one. Okay, this unlock the activation log. I use this mapboard to copy the system to this mapboard. Okay. Now, okay, use this cable. Connect to this mapboard. 아니 이게 쌓이면 저거나 쌓이면 쉽게 돼야 그 신경이 매가 돼야日常就当一个挺没这个挺是个嘛数目是种的
就知道该参加什么？
这个是种嘛，三个
对呀，你这么远的30分钟，
这是种毛呀，
你这个粉丝吧，
按你这个三个，
老天了，
挺难的。老是种了，这种都3亿，你应该这个面3亿，
几万块钱？
太重点了，那么大。Okay, so now I use the other mapboard to copy the OS system. Now I connect this cable. Okay, this cable. Okay, connect this cable. You can see when I connect this cable, then this one USB is missing, right? So now into the recovery, into the copy mode. Now you use the other mapboard to copy this system. Now I copy this system. Okay, now copy this system. You can see now I use this camera. Wait. I use this camera. Okay, you can see now it's which this one. Okay. Now I use this mapboard to copy the system to this mapboard. So use maybe the 1 minute.
给我点截图吗？你忘了？你忘了？
应该入住。
线的。
妈呀！线的。
给个线的，给个线的，给主题的。你可以听到你在线中间看到那个线。
Okay, select this one. 哎，我
主题的线。
这样。
对啊。首先你可以启动是没打上的。
So you must use the data cable. Okay, use the data cable to copy the system.
我放个线路。
So copy the now is okay. First one to
你看看吗？
啊？那改中啊，改冇改翻，改中冇嘅，可能冇嘅sense。Okay, so you did this one. Then you copy this OS system to this member. Wait. Maybe the 1 or 2 minutes. It's okay. Good job. Okay, now it's copy. Sorry.
跟着这个，我跟着熬下去。
重的。So maybe the 1 minute, 1 or 2 minutes. Okay, then you can finish the installed OS system.
我这通电的，上回加到的这个就是通电。
你就都找你辅助。
就是找你辅助这个别的。
Okay, can we 10 minutes?
哎。
下一轮关系。
那你后来放那个版型呀
？Okay, so now install the OS system.
那你讲那个对了就好了。那么就走吧，就中国好。
走你们走的。
走你来混，就负责。
你那是下个讲出来最灵验。
你就直接中国好了。
你是你2人能搞到。So this motherboard before is you can see before it have the activation lock, activation lock. Then we replace the T2 SOC. Okay, replace the T2 SOC. And also I tell you that I use the soldering iron. I use the air gun to set in the temperature. I use the soldering tape. Okay, soldering tape, this one, to clean the paste. This one, soldering tape. 这个 Q 下线的，拿过来展示的。
就啥线
？Q 下的。这个做不下来我说，毛吗？
你个做不了毛的吗？
这个做好改装了。
这个装干嘛？
随便改装了可能。
你几件呢？
都不是，没问题。So you use the solder tape to clean the motherboard paste. You don't need use the soldering iron, okay? You don't need use the soldering iron to check the motherboard. Just use the little. You can cut the little solder tape. Then you use the tweezers, okay, and use the air gun to clean the paste. Okay, now it's done. You can see. Now it's done. So done. So install the OS system. It's complete. Now you clean the down. Okay, now it's okay. It's okay. Now you see this maple. Disconnect the cable. Okay, disconnect the cable. Here, okay, you can see. Disconnect the battery. Battery because I disconnect the Touch ID. So you must now it's okay. Connect the battery. Okay. Now connect the power. Here we are into the OS system. Okay. Now you see. Okay, this video is okay. Have the Apple logo. The first time maybe they use the 1 minute. Okay, the second time it's very fast. Okay, because now you just install the OS system. Okay, now it's okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. And now I change this one. Change the language. Okay, the language. Now this model is without the activation lock. 啊？ ไม่卡咩？唔卡咩？
你热空来给我看。
困难。You can see Apple ID, no Apple ID, okay, without the Touch ID. Oh no, without the activation lock, iCloud lock, okay, without the iCloud lock. So this model is finished, okay, complete, and replace the T2 chip and unlock the activation lock. So you just need to replace the T2 chip, okay. You want to the Touch ID. You want to use the Touch ID. You must replace the fingerprint together, because the T2 with the fingerprint. So you must replace that. For example, you want to use the Touch ID. You must replace the T2 chip and the Touch fingerprint together. Okay, with the Touch ID, this one, fingerprint and the T2 together to replace. Then the Touch ID we are working. Now without the Touch ID, so Touch ID not working. Okay, just all the function is okay. Just the Touch ID not working. The other is okay. So, have there any question about the MacBook motherboard? You can ask me. I will tell you the method. Okay, so this one is finished. Have there any question? Hello everyone. Have there any question about the MacBook motherboard? Yes, I changed the language. Before it's Chinese, now I changed to the English. Okay, to the English. Have there any question? You can ask me. The T2 SOC was unlocked from iCloud. Yes. So this T2 you must remove from the without the iCloud motherboard. Okay, you can from the downloadable. For the downloadable without the iCloud, you can see without the iCloud. You can from the serial number to check that this one motherboard, this T2 chip have the iCloud or without the iCloud from the serial number. Okay, motherboard serial number. Yes. Yes. T2, all the T2 chip, all the T2 model. Okay, remember all the T2 model. T2 is same. For example, A1989, A2141, and A2179. Okay, and A1932. All the T2 is same. So to have the iCloud or T2 is damaged, you can only replace the T2 chip. You can see this one. This one is a MacBook Air. This one here, MacBook Air here, MacBook Air. Okay, 2020 this model. Okay, H179, H179. So 8 GB, okay, 8 GB. Now it's without the activation lock. Okay, without the activation lock. Okay, so the other function all is okay.等着，等一下，不对，我现在还在直播。等一下7点钟左右吧。好，拜拜。Okay, so this one is unlock the activation lock, and replay the T2 chip. Okay, have you any question? You can ask me. Use the 3 minutes. So after 3 minutes, we are close the. Yes, the T2 is you can just replace the T2 chip is okay. You don't need to replace the T2 ROM. Okay, remember, just replace the T2 chip. And you must sure it's a 1 GB and 2 GB, because 1 GB and 2 GB is different. For example, before is 2 GB, you replace the 1 GB T2, so the motherboard is not working. Okay, when you restore, the error is 9. Okay, 9, and sometimes 4014 T2. And also they have the 4th generation and the 2nd generation. 2nd generation is the T2 is different. You can see. I show you the 2nd generation T2. T2 is different. You can see this one. This model is a 2nd generation. This T2 chip. So the IC is different. Here, look at this one. I close this. Close. Yes, I shut down this model. Shut down. So this motherboard is finished. Okay, you can see this is 2nd generation. Okay, 2nd generation. This one is a 2nd generation T2 chip. So 4th generation and 2nd generation T2 is different. This one. Here have the 2 floor. Okay, 2 floor. You can see this one. 4th floor is a T2 RAM. The low floor is a T2 CPU. 2 floor, and second, this is second generation, this is fourth generation. Okay, the different. But the memory, this RAM same. Okay, this model and this model, the RAM is same. Just the CPU different. Okay. So today we'll show you this method is complete. Okay, complete. H179 to unlock the activation lock and tell you how to replace the T2 check. Okay, step by step. So today is complete. See you next time. See you next time. Okay, bye bye. See you next time. Bye bye.